Hey everyone, it's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I appreciate you coming and seeing what I'm up to today. Well, I have more auction things. What I want to show you today is the military manuals that I picked up. Not quite sure what this is going to be like. I kind of glanced at them and I may have made a mistake. What the description was 8 vintage military manuals from the 1960s and 70s. Field engineer, combat engineer, organizational maintenance, field guide, and machine gun and first aid. Didn't notice the machine gun part there. So anyway, I'm going to go through them, and this might be something that I will need you to share with someone that is interested in military items. I don't know, now that I kind of have glanced at these, that they are something that I would want to put in a fun, lighthearted journal. But I just noticed that my table here is a mess, so if you will excuse me for a split second, I'm going to step over here and get my Mr. Sticky. Hold on. Alrighty, I got it. Let's get this cleaned up a little bit. This mat that I use just kind of keeps things from going everywhere, so I like it, but I did not notice that it was not cleaned up. It's kind of sticky itself, but my Mr. Sticky here will get all of this up. So anyway, alright, let me put that to the side. Thank you for your patience there on that. I apologize. So let's see, here's some of the little manuals that I got. Student Guide for Field Training Exercise. Alright, not much to it. Kind of looks like it was typed, old-timey typewriter kind of type. What was that picture of? Let's see. Don't really understand. Alright, don't really understand that. But for non-commissioners school, officers school. Alright, that was 1971. Cover's kind of cute with the camouflage and everything. This says December of 82. So this is not really that old. But no, that's neat. I think that's pretty neat. Oh, look at the cartoons. This part doesn't really bother me as far as putting in a journal is concerned. But I don't know that I want fighter helicopters and stuff in a journal. Alright, Combat Engineer, Soldier's Manual, Army Testing. It says SMART. This was from August of 77. Alright, kind of looks like it was where they were supposed to fill in dates and everything. That's not so bad, but without really reading it, I bet that that's not something I want to use. And that's one thing, if you've noticed on my channel, I tell you, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I mean, you'll see me mess up. I'll tell you things to watch out for. Like, remember the can of glitter spray paint and all the trouble that I had? I'm going to tell you so you can be prepared. Okay, this is Engineer Field Data. I guess that was the person's name. And, alright, doesn't look too bad. But again, I'd have to read before I would put those in anything. This is the one that now concerns me. It's about a machine gun. It says obsolete. I wonder if obsolete is the machine gun is obsolete or this pamphlet is obsolete, but it doesn't really matter. This is something that I will never use. Turn it down. Secure work site. Little army man on the front. And this is kind of cartoonish too. That's funny. But, again, I'm not so sure about that. First aid for soldiers, which I'm assuming would kind of be first aid for everybody. But I'm sure they have unique things that happened. Yeah, this is more, even though this says May of 1970, I would think that there's someone out there that probably likes collecting military items and they would rather have this than me. So, like I said, this may be something that I just need to put up on eBay or give it back to the guy at the auction place and let him re-auction it. Is that a word? Re-auction? You know what I mean. This is not even unwrapped. Soldier's manual. And I don't know that I'll be able to see a date on it. We will not be able to see what's inside of that because I'm not going to unwrap this. I don't even like what's on the cover. This was a bust for me as far as what I wanted. I guess I just got caught up in the moment in the auction online and saw that it was paper and manuals and thought it would be something cool because, you know, I've become a paper hoarder. And I know there's plenty of you out there that probably would have made this same mistake. Don't say you wouldn't have. But anyway, I'm going to put this in a bag or a box and maybe put it, like I said, on eBay or offer it back up. But thanks for coming by and seeing what I'm up to, even if it is not so good this time. But there are more items that I promise you will be more fun, and I'll be getting to those videos shortly. So again, thanks for coming by. If you haven't subscribed or shared my channel with your friends, please do. I'm a little channel trying to get, you know, a start here, and I would take all the help I can get. So thanks again. Bye.